Okay, I will give you a very brief overview of your website. Since I have worked on the layout of the shop page of the website and also updated the layout design of the single page and checkout page. So let's go directly to the shop page and see the layout of the shop page. First of all, you can see that I have added the category list on the left of the shop page where all the product categories are given. And below, I have given a menu list for quick information. And above, I have given the image and name of each category so that customers can easily find the products according to the category. Also, here we can add more products and categories. And also below, I have added some information. And remember that I have used these texts as samples, so you write your desired text and send them to me so that I can replace your text in place of this sample text. Also, when a customer or visitor clicks on their desired category, they will be able to see all the products according to that category. So, you can see that we can see all the products in the first category. Also, remember that you can add more subcategories after the main category if you want. Now let's leave the layout of the shop page and look at the layout of the single product page. I am selecting this product for the test. And on the single product page, you can see that the contents of the shop page on the left are there. And on the right side, I have given only the product name, price, and the product details including the product variations for the clean view. And at the bottom, I have shown the related products. And earlier, this cart icon function was not working properly, and in this development update, we have fixed and updated the function of this cart icon. Now, if we add a product for testing, it will be added just like before according to different variations. Now let's check the mobile view of this single product page. How will it look on a mobile phone? So I have selected the iPhone mode from now on, through which the single product layout will look like on an iPhone. And you can see how clean the single page of the website looks on a phone. I am adding a test product again and showing it. Here visitor and customer can add order notes. And on the checkout page, you can add their name and other information as it was before. But I have changed the background color of the page just to make the checkout page look clean. I am reloading the page to view it in desktop mode. And you can see how clean it looks in desktop mode. So I hope this checkout page will be very easy and user-friendly for any customer or visitor because I have kept the page very clean and minimal as per your requirement. Also, if you have any other recommendations, then definitely let me know. I will customize the website as per your updates and feedback. Have a nice day. Thank you.